Hey everybody, how's it going? Well, I'm in the shop today working on the MX135, the loader. So what happened was the bushing back there cracked and broke. Then the rod, or the tube I should say, for the self-leveling busted out. So here it is on the floor. And I've got it spot welded and I ground it down on the cracks. And I'm just gonna get ready to weld it here. I just snapped it right off. So this tractor's been down for a few days while I got some pins made up. I needed new pins. That's an old pin there, but I got a couple because I got just a hitch pin on that side, so I gotta change that one. And so yeah, I needed the one bushing made, so I got it welded in there. You see my pins right here. Here's the new pins. I like them out of chrome because they're hard and they last. They don't wear in. So I got a spare bushing now in case I need another one and a spare pin. So I'm gonna get ready to weld that, and then Sean and Lori can give me a hand and put it back together. The deep freeze is coming now. We gotta get some straw bales out, some more hay bales, because it's gonna be cold. All right, I already welded that in there. No sense showing you that, so because it's kind of horrible. But anyway. Well, got the one bead on there. Whole straight pipe acres would be proud. What other side I gotta do yet? Oh, I did that side. I gotta do the bottom side yet. Like that wasn't clean. There's some grease there. Oh, my knee wasn't so sore. Oh. I think that's good. You could probably put a third bead right in the middle. I don't know. We'll see. There. That side's done. That should be good. Now, I just gotta run another bead on that side, I think. This side I didn't clean off. Looks not too shabby, bit of a cut in there. I could fix that. I think I'll run another pass. I think that's gonna hold. Welding's not bad. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but I get some good comments and I get some bad comments, so whatever. I think she'll hold good. The main crack was right there, so that's three beads. So I think she'll do just fine. All right, now I need the guy's help to help me install it. Well, I got Sean here. He's gonna wire brush that bushing where I welded it there, so I was gonna dab some paint on there. But I see these self-leveling brackets and everything have been welded a lot, and they're just a little bit too thin, I think. They keep cracking. Got it welded there. That one's been welded. This one's been re-welded. That one down there had the machine shop weld it. I even had one of these split right apart for some reason and had that re-welded. So they're always cracking. So, mind you, this loader has had quite a few bales. I shouldn't say bales, mainly bales, but quite a few hours on it. But I've never seen another loader with this much trouble of cracking. So, anyway, I've got the arm here. I'm gonna spray some primer on it and put some red paint. Okay, it's on. We had a little bit of trouble getting it back on there. So what I did was I took this pin out and we put that arm in there. Then we just tilted the fork back and put this back in there. When you don't have pressure on the cylinder, this one doesn't want to go back all the way in. So it's ready to roll. So that's welding the fork again. Well, it's not really welding the fork, but welding the loader. Anyway, we're supposed to get some more snow here, which it looks like it's starting to. Yeah. The sun is still not very. Doesn't want to focus here. What's going on? Yeah, the sun ain't too high still. It's 1 o'clock, 1:30. So it's gonna get dark soon again. And then after the snow, we're going into the deep freeze. Supposed to be a couple temperatures in the low 30s, and one day of even the low 40s. So that's gonna be cold. Anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure you like that video. We'll talk to y'all later.